Hello guys! So ngayon ay mag-unboxing tayo na ito. Binili ko to siya sa TikTok. Yung stick na mahaba pa daw sa, mataas pa daw sa tao. Yan. So, i-unbox natin siya. Ay, pasensya na po sa akin. Ako kasi nilalaba. Ano yung aking ano? Gunting.
From various institutions, yes, correct mistake. Marami, but usually ADB din pinanggagaling.
Musta po
Yung
kayo?
PMO is headed by Yusek
Wait
Amin
lang.
Saday.
Kunin natin yung aking
Yes, sir.
gunting.
FCNC is now headed by
Ouch, ang sakit. Ang bangus ko. Humihiwalay sa... Yan, so ito. Yan, nandito tayo sa bahay na.
Yung without feasibility study, Mr. Chair. Paano po yung request for funding? How does it start?
It starts with, I can only explain, Mr. Chair, when it is included into our national expenditure program proposal.
Bali may lampo ito kasama.
These projects
One
would have undergone
So ang total
some
niya is
prioritization at
800
provincial
plus.
level.
Ito po siya.
And then it has to be elevated to the regional development councils. And it will form actually the regional project proposals. From the regional project proposals, they will carve out the priorities that will be equivalent to the allocated appropriate allocation for each engineering district or legislative district.
As po natin ang konti.
Yung source nito, Mr. Secretary, is the regular fund. Tama? Yes. As opposed to the projects with feasibility for the pension.
For the pension.
Oh, ang ganda!
Ang basis ninyo sa request for funding
Tadaan! Ang ganda po, no?
is Department Order Number 1.
Okay.
Department Order Number 23, Series of 2015. Am I correct?
Correct.
Tapos ito yung rotation niya. Yan. Tapos, tama yung sinabi na
Kasi po, Mr.
Apat
Secretary,
yung
kaya
tayo.
po natin iniisa-isa ito para maintindihan natin lahat. Meron pong jurisdictional amount kasi. Yung district offices, district engineers offices, 100 million.
oh, ang taas mo, diba?
150 million level nila.
150.
Taas nga niya.
150 million.
Oh my God, ang haba niya. Di ba guys? So, nakikita mo ba? Ito yung paa. And then, ito yung
400 million.
yung ulo niya. Sobrang taas. Ang ganda, ganda.
Above what?
Ganito.
No limit, Mr. Chair.
No limit.
And then, the feet.
Pero lahat po
Pakita
nito,
ko sa
Mr.
inyo.
Secretary,
Wala po dyan.
with the threshold amount
Yang doon.
stated,
Yang
the
doon.
district offices, with the
Yang
threshold
doon.
amount,
Yan.
and national offices,
Ang taas
with
po, no?
limited amount.
So,
Lahat po ng mga contractors nito,
good quality po siya. And with lampo na isa. So, I'm so happy.
That's correct.
Bili na rin kayo. Ito ay gagamitin po namin sa travel namin. Kaya makikita po ninyo yung travel namin sa mga susunod na buwan. Malapit na po yun. Excited na po kami.
or law,
And
RA
yun.
12009.
So, goodbye. Bye-bye.